We're not gonna talk about this.
All right, so before we get the video started, let me turn this off because I know you can hear it. You know, you remember when we were kids and we go up and say, Power Rangers, light speed rescue. I'm here editing the video, learning how to use Final Cut. I usually use Premiere, but long story short, this stuff doesn't matter to you. What matters to you is what this video is now going to be about. I wanted to include it all in this edit, but dude, you would be sitting there for years. It is gonna take so long to edit all that together because me making the website, me making the logo, all of it's just a process. So today, you're gonna see me make the logo, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to post more videos about the website and about the next steps I take with getting the business bank account, and just make all those separate videos because all of those topics have a lot of depth to them, and there's things you might want to consider with each of those. So today is just gonna be me creating this logo real quick, and really it's the easiest freaking thing in the world. Don't let people scare you away from making things for yourself. I tell you now, if you are a business owner, you can be a business owner on your own. Now watch the video, but don't forget to subscribe.
Well, let's begin! We are back, and we are gonna make things happen. We are officially a business. So if you were not following along, last week I created a commercial cleaning company and we filed for the business name and we got approved, baby. So if you follow me along here on my screen, this is what it looks like. There's not much to it. Like in the future, when we open up our bank account, that's gonna be important. In the future, when we get our tax ID number, that's gonna be important. In the future, when we just conduct business and get insurance, just everything that legitimizes us and puts the glue together for us to be a business, that's gonna take care of it. And we have the business approved. That is what we needed to hear, because now we can move forward. What's important for us to do now is to get the business online. If you come with me here, our business name is ABEC, right? ABEC Cleaning. Here's what you will find when you search ABEC. Clean skateboard, bones, bearings, what? How to clean your, I gotta hear how this dude says this word.
Want to escape but the weather's got you down? This sucks. Hi, I'm Brian Holden. Today I'm gonna teach you how to clean your built-ins. First one.
If you look up ABEC Cleaning, there's nothing there. So our goal here is to make sure that when people search for us, there's information for them to find. Moving the company forward, that's what I call this, moving the company forward. What can we do now that we have the business name established? How do we move the company forward? Because our goal here is to move up, grow the company, make money, do great things, sell it in the future, focus on what we actually enjoy. If you haven't seen last week's episode, please go watch it. It'll be somewhere up here. It'll make more sense. But to move the company forward, the first thing we need to do is make a logo. We're gonna do this a simple way. We're not gonna spend a lot of money. We're not gonna hire somebody to create a logo for us. They're only gonna charge us like $300, $800, $5,000. We're gonna skip all that. That'll be for free because Canva baby, is going to offer us a free trial. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. I already know what I'm going to do after I make this logo. You know what I mean? Okay? Man, those eye winks were garbage.
Now I do feel bad for saying that. I was just being real with you. But here's the thing, Canva is useful. I had their premium subscription for a long time. And truly, I'll get it again when I need all of that stuff that it involves. But I don't want to diss the company because Canva, yo, like if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have a logo, just straight up. So I just had to say that.
Help us understand your brand so we can recommend the right kind of logo. We're a business. Show your style, pick your favorite logo, select up to 5. So what it's gonna do is create logos, give us ideas based on our interests. Truthfully, I don't think it works, but just to listen to them, my favorite logos are those two, definitely that one, kind of feeling that one, and see, the thing is, like, these are all cool logos, but like, not all of them are gonna feel as corporate and professional as what I'm trying to give off. So certainly choose whatever works for you. However, I need something that fits the vibe that I'm trying to accentuate. There we go. All right, we're just gonna fly through this. We're not gonna spend any time on this because I want this to be quick. People think that starting a business has to be super difficult and it has to take millions of years. No, it freaking does not. So it gives you ideas. It gives you this attorney at law, blah, blah, blah crap. I don't like their logos. They're so simple. And you can go ahead and search through all this. Let me enlarge this for you. You can go through here and search to your heart's content because there are thousands of options. I didn't see that one before. A-B. Ooh, hold up. Let's play around with this one. So the thing is, you can customize it, change it up how you feel like, it will serve you. And I think, let me put it this way. The idea here is to finesse, okay? You don't want to spend money paying for a logo. It's so expensive. And honestly, there's enough resources out there where you can just go online, freelogomaker.com, Canva, whatever the case might be, and you can just create something that looks good enough to pass. We're a commercial cleaning company. Nobody's gonna take our logo and go like, well, we're looking for a commercial cleaning company. Sure, their logo is looking quite splendid, huh? Nobody's actually gonna do that, okay? They're gonna go online, look for cleaners locally, make sure some reviews check out. And if they feel like their reviews check out their company, they're gonna call you in. And the reality is they're gonna call you in and they're gonna call about 3 other people in, making a total of 4 people that they're having at that location doing a walkthrough at different times. You're not gonna be there with other people. You're going to do that walkthrough and then you're gonna try to impress the crap out of them while you're on the walkthrough. And then at the end of the day, you're gonna send them a proposal and they're just gonna choose. Some businesses, most businesses, just choose what makes the most financial sense for them. And if that company doesn't work out, they'll just move on to the next one. So with that being said, you just want a logo that doesn't look like it's crayonned by a 3-year-old. You want a logo that looks like something they can trust. However, you don't have to make a logo or get a logo from a dude who's gonna charge you $1,000 just to draw up something. Like, and I'm the one, I love talent, like videography, I love photography, I love these things. I believe that there should be a premium charged. However, I also believe that you as a person can learn how to do this stuff yourself. The reason I really started in videography so seriously is because I was running a business and I refused to pay for somebody to do photography for us. I refused to have somebody make commercials for us. So I decided that I wanted to learn on my own so I could produce what I wanted to see, save money, and be freaking independent. So I learned how to make logos, not really. I learned what resources are out there available to me to make my own logo. And that's what we're gonna do. Same thing with the website. We're gonna make our own website because it's actually simple. You don't have to code and all this other crap. Like, it's simple. ABEC, A-B-E-C. I'm feeling that. I like the way this looks. And then down here, we can put cleaning solutions. Sorry, I gotta stare at it for a little bit. I gotta figure out if I feel it or not. I could totally run with this and it'd be fine. Can I save this? Or would I just save this for later? I don't know. Let's try this one. No, we're not doing that. The only other idea I do have, I don't want to lose that one I just had though. I don't want to lose this one. That one could work. I do like triangles, so I'm gonna show you this because I've been through here before. And I seen this logo the other day. This one that says zone. And it's simple, ABEC. I don't know how I wanna, ABEC. I don't know, ABEC. It's up to you, it's your company. Decide what you wanna do, ABEC. Okay, that's gone. I think this is it. Yo, it's so simple. You're watching it live. This is how I get down, man. This is how I get down. Cleaning, salute. So the reason I'm plugging this in because I'm trying to figure out how I want to present the company. So our legal name is ABEC Cleaning, and that can change. If I want to change it to something else, I can always change it. However, what is going to be the name that we put before client? And that's what I'm trying to decide. Do I like ABEC Cleaning Solutions? Do I like ABEC Solutions? I can fall in love with that. ABEC Solutions. Yeah, that's the logo. That's the freaking logo. Yeah, that's it. Not gonna spend more time on this transparent background. We do want a transparent background eventually. But honestly, for making the website, this PNG is gonna work. We can sign up for free for 30 days. And I'm gonna put in this PayPal information just quickly here, just to claim this free trial. And honestly, I'm gonna get the bag and run. Boom, boom. Look at that. See, we're just gonna freaking finesse, dude. Look, create design, delete any, blah, 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 blah. We can go and do all these pro features. We don't need to do all that. What we're gonna do is we're going to download the high quality image. Hold up, let me make sure that's the right one. The PNG on a transparent background, and we're gonna download that. Boom. Let's name this ABAC. ABAC. We're gonna find a logo. We're gonna do a media folder, and then we're gonna name this media folder logos. Boom. And then in this folder, we're gonna do the ABAC logo transparent. Boom. And that's it. Oh, look at that on that business card, dude. Yo, for real? You see that on that business card? Yo, this looks like really tight to me. Whoa. Whoa, this vibes, bro. This freaking vibes, I'm telling you. That looks good. All right, so we have the logo. We did it. Logo's done. And I really want to stress the fact that, yo, don't make starting a company so difficult. Many people run away from starting a company because they think it's so very hard, but it doesn't have to be. Just go online, create a little logo. Nobody's gonna care. Like, if you are so like heart poured out into your business, your soul is in this business, and everything matters from the logo to the carpeting in the building to the way the door handle sounds when you open it. Like, yes, this isn't gonna work for you. However, I'm in this game to just be an entrepreneur. Make cool businesses, launch cool stuff that helps people. My passion is there. My passion is creating systems, launching businesses that grow and work. I speak from experience. The thing that will take my business to the next level is not what the logo looks like. It's just not. It's not gonna be the logo at the end of the day. It's not even gonna be the website at the end of the day. It's gonna be the experience that I give to clients. That's what's gonna matter at the end of the day. So you can choose how you wanna do it. You can put all this effort over here where it doesn't matter, or you can put all the effort here where it actually does matter. All my effort is gonna be where it actually matters. And the logo, the name, the website, that stuff is important. That stuff is absolutely necessary. You're gonna have to get that stuff. However, it's not gonna be the deal breaker. Hey, thank you for making it this far. If you enjoyed this stuff, please like and subscribe. It's really gonna help me grow this channel. But here's the thing. We have the logo, that's great. Now it's time to build a website. And if you see this before I make the website video, I would love if you could comment below how you would like me to do that video. Because now that I edited this video, see that I kind of just whipped through it. I just made a logo. I didn't really show you how. However, Canva's so simple. It's like you just click and go. It's such a lockdown program. You can't really go too crazy. It's not like you're opening Photoshop. However, on this website video, it is a little more intricate. However, the way I'm gonna show you is not only the cheapest way, but it's probably the most empowering way. It gives you the most control. You can change it anytime you want. And personally, I think it's the best way to create websites. Let me know if you guys want like a more in-depth tutorial on me building the website. Otherwise, I'm just gonna show you how I slap together a freaking website and be done with it.